Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with the 67 GTO. Finally reached a milestone. We're getting ready to drop the body back on the chassis. I got everything set up. I've got all the metal work done. If you followed along, you saw that this was pretty extensive. Well, now we're finally going to marry these two back together, do the body work, and get this thing painted. So let's see how well this goes. Gotta go forward a little bit. That's it. Just got some minor tweaking to do, but looks pretty good. I'll cut the camera here. I'll get this pushed up in the air and we'll look at it from underneath. And there it is, mounted to the chassis, hopefully for the last time. We're going to go underneath the car here and I'm going to show you guys what chassis flex looks like. I know I've seen a lot of guys work on cars like this. You see it all over YouTube and whatnot. A lot of people think you got a full frame car, it's not going to move around too much, and they jack it up the wrong way. They put jack stands in the wrong spot. They start doing a bunch of work, and then all of a sudden nothing lines up when they try to put the car back together. If you're going to do that, if you're going to work on a car on the chassis, you need to build blocking boxes and set it on its four wheels. The best thing you can do is set the car as if it was sitting on the ground, because that will stress the chassis the way it's going to normally sit. We're going to come in here and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Now this is being held up by the hoist here, and the weight of the engine is actually causing the front of this chassis to dip down. Remember, that's all welded together now. Everything was verified on that. That's a solid structure, and now we have a flexible chassis. And check this out. Look how far away the mounts are from the resting perches. And that is all chassis flex. Both sides identical. Come around to this side. Same thing. And even when we get underneath the car, if we look at the mount in the center here, if the camera can pick it up, that one's away. Even the one back here, I can move that washer by hand. So this thing is flexed almost completely to behind the doors, and that's just the chassis. The body itself is fine. So what I'll do here is I'll get a jack underneath the center of this, and I will gently push the chassis up, and I can put my body bolts in. So that's one thing to keep in mind. It's great that guys like to do this stuff at home. Hey, that's how I started. It's great that you do that. You save yourself a ton of money. But just be careful. Build yourself some blocking. You've seen the professional shops use it. If you're going to do any kind of work on the chassis, it needs to be sitting on its four wheels, or you need to block the chassis up with whatever fixtures you want at the same locations that the tires would be. That way it stresses everything equally. I think that'll do it for this episode. It's going to be a short one here, but I'm just happy that this is back together, hopefully for the last time, not to repeat myself. So stay tuned for more. We'll see what happens next.